Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your headphones not being detected and not connecting on VIVO V60E. Let's begin. So, I have my earbuds here and I currently have my Bluetooth enabled and they are not connecting. So the very first way for you to fixing the Bluetooth not connecting or headphone not connecting is to simply restart the connecting process, because as you can see now the LED will light up and in any moment now my pair devices, my earbuds, should be working again. Though to be honest, I still have some troubles with those and I have no idea why, so let's troubleshoot them together. But as you can see, I didn't. Now, as you can see, I am indeed connected and okay, I know I'm now not, but you can just be pretty patient because sometimes Bluetooth devices just take stupidly long time to start working again. I have no idea why it is, but it is pretty annoying. But anyway, let's say that you didn't fix your issue and you still have some issue. So, what you can do then? Well, you can start with simply pressing and holding the Bluetooth icon and then going into more Bluetooth settings, which will show you this full view. Now, the very first thing you want to do is just turn off your Bluetooth, and you just want to keep having this turned off by, like, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds, maybe 15, maybe 30 at best. It's all about giving it a nice little restart. Now, after the time has passed, we can simply enable it back. And as you can see, my earbuds are connecting in any moment now, which is pretty good because this means that restart helped. But what if yours didn't help? What if you're still even not seeing your headphones? Well, we can go into pair devices, cogwheel icon, and then you can go into forget. Let's go into OK. And now our phone will behave like it never really saw our earbuds or headphones anytime. Like anywhere anymore. Seriously, now we don't really see it. It only appears in available devices, which means that technically if we open and reopen it, and then we can try to connect once again, we are essentially pairing it once again, giving it a fresh new connection. And as you can see, it works for me. However, if you still have troubles with your headphones, there is a very high chance that your phone is actually completely fine, and instead it's the reason the headphones or earbuds are the reason that your Bluetooth isn't working correctly. Now, you now want to play a little diagnostic game. I would advise you to, for example, ask your friends or family member or coworker to borrow your phone for a moment, and then you want to try to connect your earbuds or headphones with their phone. And if it fails to connect, then you know that is probably the fault of your headphones, and you probably want to double check where you actually bought them, if you have your warranty and if you can still return them. However, if it does work, then this means that your Bluetooth is just faulty. And if you want to learn more, you can always watch our Bluetooth not working tutorial. But basically speaking, you just want to make sure that you reset everything, that you reset the settings of Bluetooth, and after that you could potentially restart your phone completely. But if that does not help, well, I guess you have to just refund your phone as well. But anyway, of course, the way I'm speaking, it may seem scary, but in reality, a little reboot to the Bluetooth should resolve any kinds of issues, don't you worry. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.